got this JB Ultimate Gray RTV. It's supposed to be waterproof, so I'm going to use a little bit of that. I think that should do it. A little bit around here, outside edge here, just in case. And then we can open up the new kit here and just install it in reverse. So this looks to be, the other one was like a stainless steel. Oops. I think in every video I drop something. Anyways, I'm gonna put this over. Kind of get that set up right there. Then we have the impeller, and you can see that this is the direction. Oops, I want to set that in the coop. I want it going in this particular direction. This part drops in right here. Okay, so that's going to go in first. Gonna take some effort, that's for sure. It's not super easy to get these blades lined up the way you want. Just don't be surprised if you got to put a little effort into it. Because I basically took my screwdriver and adjusted all these the opposite way, so they're all like that. Okay, so it's supposed to go in like that. Okay, so they gave us two of these separate fittings. The old one looks about this size. That one's definitely different. I don't think we need that one. It must be one if you have other models. So this is going to go right in here, and there's two little dots on either side of that rubber piece, and you just slide it in. There's a dot on either side of that. You just want those to fit in the hole properly. Do the other side. Got that hole in there, that little dot. This dot in there. All right, so we got both dots in. Nice and smooth, looks good. So then there's a bushing that goes on the top of this, which is here. This is your bushing. It's gonna go in on top like this. So what I would use is like a plastic mallet, something that's gentle on it. Try to line it up straight. And that's it. There you go. That's how you put it in. This little key, gotta sit in that little slot right there, so that when the shaft spins, a little flat spot right there, I want that to line up with that spot. So the best way to do it, you get a little grease. I'm gonna get a little dab. That's how they say it, a little dab will do ya. A little dab of grease right there. And that'll hold the pin in place right there. See how that fits nicely right there. Then you can take your impeller housing and straight down with it. we're gonna have to line up the impeller with the hole. There we go. So as we're looking in here, just want to make sure we line up where the where that little drive shaft spot is, and I see it on here. So it's about right there. Okay. Just look in the hole. Try to guide it right on, just like that. Once that's on, you put your new bolts in. Pretty straightforward. Looks like the 11mm is fitting on there nicely still. Alright, so we got that tightened down. That tightened down. That tightened down. And that tightened down. And then this big O-ring goes right over top there. And then you have one small O-ring. It's gonna fit, looks like it fits right over top here. Right there.